At this time last night, if memory serves, we were already dealing with storms. At this point tonight, I think they're merely on the way.
Yeah, I mean, some severe weather yesterday, just downpours. Meteorologist Kristin Emery, what is headed our way right now?
More rain, more lightning, thunder, and heavy downpours, possibly storms with some gusty winds. But right now, we're just getting the leading edge of some rain in our area, but no warnings yet. Right now, we're looking at rain totals that could be maybe an inch or so in some of these storms tonight, possibly more. But these are some of the numbers we had from yesterday. These are 24-hour totals from yesterday. The official total at the airport, 0.79. Look at that number from Bridgeville. Almost 2.6 inches of rain. Katanning, 1.72, inch and a half in Canonsburg. New Kensington, just under 2 inches of rain. And Slippery Rock, 1 1/3 inches of rain. And this is just a sampling of a handful of numbers that we've seen in the 1 to 2 inch category. A lot of other folks in the outlying counties got about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain. So that helped to cut that rainfall deficit that we had when we started the month of August. But we don't want all of this rain at one time. And now the danger tonight is not only could these storms have more damaging winds, but because we have saturated ground from all of that rain last night, we could have flash flooding concerns with more heavy downpours tonight in spots. If they move through quickly, that would be a better sign. Right now, we have activity that's already prompting severe thunderstorm warnings from Wheeling out to Cambridge, Ohio, right along I-70 there. This activity is pulling to the north and east, and then we have activity pulling in from the northwest. Right now, activity right over portions of western Beaver and western Lawrence County. This was a storm that prompted a severe thunderstorm warning in Columbiana County. It's now moved to the east into Pennsylvania. It has weakened, so it still packs a punch, but so far below severe limits. Over into western Butler County, a storm with some lightning, heavy downpours there. And then this cell right over Waynesboro, look at all of that lightning. This is pulling from south to north. So those of you in Greene County, Waynesburg area, and then headed up toward Washington and the I-70 corridor, that's coming your way in about 15 minutes. Here's the larger view. That activity pulling to the north and east. This activity all the way across northwest Ohio, that's ahead of the cold front. That's squeezing in from the northwest. So we're getting it from both directions tonight, and up until 11 o'clock, we could see storms firing. That's why we're under a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock for all of southwestern Pennsylvania, south of I-80. It's still 87 and partly cloudy in Pittsburgh. It's humid, feels like 92, that dew point at 70. Dew points in the 70s, very tropical, moisture-rich air. When you get that daytime heating and we get these waves of low pressure, the disturbances, those are the ingredients why we've had round after round of these strong storms. 87 in Cranberry, Pittsburgh, where it's raining. Beaver Falls has dropped to 79. Waynesburg is down to 80. It still feels like the 90s across much of the area. Somerset was in the triple digits for the heat index, now down to 98. So Futurecast keeps this line of storms pushing through here between around 7 and 11. Should be out of here by between 10 and 11. And then after that, the cold front will sink through here, scour out the clouds, take that humidity and heat with it, and through the day tomorrow and all through the day Sunday, we'll be left with mostly sunny skies, temperatures about 10 degrees cooler, and nice dry weather until possibly a shower or two on Monday morning. So your forecast tonight, showers and storms up until 11 p.m. Tomorrow, much cooler, less humid. After a few early morning showers, 82 for the high. Sunday, 81. Monday, 80. Lower to mid 80s next week with just a slight chance of a shower or storm starting on Tuesday. And you can keep track of all of this and the watches and warnings. If you're headed out this evening, you want to get our KDKA weather app so we can send severe weather notices right to your phone. Search CBS Pittsburgh Weather in the App Store and Google Play.